Ever wonder how many people tap, swipe, and bank with their phones these days? Think about it. Gone are the days of waiting in line at a stuffy bank branch. Now, with a few clicks, we can transfer funds, pay bills, and even invest, all from the comfort of our couch. This convenience factor has skyrocketed the popularity of mobile banking apps. And in Australia, one app reigns supreme, the Commbank app. But with so many banks offering apps, how many people have actually switched over to Commbank's mobile platform? Are we talking millions? Tens of millions? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Commbank app users and uncovering some surprising stats. Firstly, let's acknowledge that Commbank itself boasts of being Australia's #1 banking app. But what does that title translate to in terms of actual users? Well, as of May 2023, Commbank unveiled their latest app update, boasting a user base of a staggering 7.7 million active users. That's a massive chunk of the Australian population turning to their phones for everyday banking needs. But hold on, that number's not the whole story. See, the world of mobile banking is constantly evolving. New features are rolled out, user habits change, and competition is fierce. So, to get a more complete picture, let's fast forward a few months. By October 2023, just 5 months after the previous data point, Commbank reported a significant surge in app uptake. Thanks to the introduction of features like AI-powered personalization and seamless business account switching, the user base grew by over 300,000. That translates to a total of 8.1 million unique users, a clear indication that the Commbank app is not only popular, but also constantly attracting new customers. Now, you might be thinking, that's a lot of people, but what about how often they're using the app? Well, get this, the average Commbank app user logs in a whopping 41 times a month. That's more than once a day, showcasing just how ingrained mobile banking has become in daily life. Interestingly, the data also reveals a generational divide. Young adults aged 20 to 29 are leading the pack, averaging a staggering 51 logins per month. That's practically living on the app. But seniors aren't far behind either, proving that mobile banking is user-friendly for all ages. Here's another exciting fact. Commbank app users are actively engaging with the app's money management features. We're talking about millions of interactions every month, indicating a shift towards a more proactive approach to personal finance. Finally, the sheer volume of transactions processed through the app is mind-boggling. As of October 2023, Commbank users were processing a daily average of $2.5 billion in payments. That's a testament to the app's reliability and security, making it a trusted platform for everyday financial transactions. So, there you have it. The Commbank app is undeniably a powerhouse in the Australian mobile banking arena. With a user base exceeding 8 million and growing, frequent app engagement, and a platform trusted for billions of dollars in transactions, Commbank has clearly carved a niche in the digital banking landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.